Good morning, children. You are learning GK. Let us revise. Open your class 4 copy. Tree talk. First, we will start revising word meanings from tree talk. Children, when I will read, you will repeat with me and you will learn. And learn the spellings also. Write in your exam with dark pencil and write correct spellings. So let us start. Number 1, upside down. The position where the top is at the bottom and the bottom is at the top. Upside down, the position where the top is at the bottom and the bottom is at the top. Next one. Evergreen tree. A tree that has green leaves throughout the year. A tree that has green leaves throughout the year. Now come to great rulers. You have the word meanings. Great rulers. Ancient, 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 very old. Military, army. Treasure, things of great value. Pursuing, to run after. Reign, to rule as a king or queen. Explorer, a person who travels to unknown places to know more about them. Ancient, very old. Military, army. Treasure, things of great value. Pursuing, to run after. Reign, to rule as a king or queen. Explorer, a person who travels to unknown places to know more about them. Next, children. Come to various dance forms. We are doing word meanings. Various dance forms. Various. What is the meaning of various? Different. Various. The meaning of various is different. Number 2, innumerable. Too many to be counted. Too many to be counted. Number 3, distinctive. Quality of a thing that is different from others. Quality of a thing that is different from others. Evolved. To develop. Evolved, to develop. Generous. Style. Generous means style. Percussive sounds. Sounds made by hitting things. Sounds made by hitting things. These word meanings you had in your class 4 copy as per the chapters, the topics I gave you for half yearly exam. Now we will revise the question answers. Various dance forms. Question answers. What is ballet? Ballet is a popular dance form that uses music and dance to tell stories. What is ballet? Ballet is the popular dance form that uses music and dance to tell stories. Which was the first dance associated with hip hop? Which was the first dance associated with hip hop? Break dance. Break dance. Number 3, what is hip hop? Hip hop is a dance style. Hip hop is a dance style usually danced to the hip hop music. So hip hop is a dance style usually danced to the Hip hop music. Hip hop is a dance style usually danced to the hip hop music. Next one, write the difference between breakdance and hip hop. Breakdance moves are done. Breakdance moves are done close to the ground. Hip hop moves are done standing up. What is tap dance? Tap dance is a form of dance where a tapping sound created from metal plates. Tap dance is a form of dance where a tapping sound created from metal plates attached to both the floor and heel of the dancer's shoe. What is waltz? What is waltz? Waltz is a ballroom dance which involves a partner. Waltz is a ballroom dance which involves a partner. Now children, come to great rulers. Who was Pharaoh Akhenaten? Pharaoh Akhenaten was a great ruler of Egypt who started the worship of only one god, attained the sun disk. Who was Alexander? Alexander was a great king of Macedonia and an excellent military leader. What was King Alexander's last wish? King Alexander's last wish was to bury him with his hands outside the coffin. What was King Alexander's last wish? King Alexander's last wish was to bury him with his hands outside the coffin. Who was Ashoka the Great? Ashoka the Great, children, when you will write the names, please write first letter in capital. Ashoka the Great was an Indian emperor of the Mauryan dynasty. Learn the spellings very well. Ashoka the Great was an Indian emperor of the Mauryan dynasty. Who was Ashoka the Great? Ashoka the Great was an Indian emperor of the Mauryan dynasty. Why Emperor Ashoka adopted Buddhism and followed Ahimsa? Emperor Ashoka was shocked by the bloodshed in the war against Kalinga. It made him adopt Buddhism and follow Ahimsa. Why Elizabeth Age is famous? Elizabeth Age is famous for English drama, wars with Spain and English explorers finding new lands. So we did the word meanings and the question answers of various dance forms and great rulers. Now come to this, all you don't have. Where do butterflies live? What are the two places where butterflies cannot live? Antarctica and dry deserts. Children, write the spellings correctly. Antarctica, T-A-R-C-T-I-C, Antarctica, and dry deserts, D-E-S-E-R-T-S, deserts. Number 2, name any 3 types of butterflies. Monarch, swallowtail, small apollo. Here I gave you 3 answers. In your book you will find more. You can write from there also. Monarch, swallowtail, small apollo. Then where do Galit birdwing butterflies live? Rainforest and smaller islands. Rainforest and smaller islands. Where do monarch butterflies live in winter? In Central America or Mexico? Children, check the spelling here. Mexico, M-E-X-I-C-O, Mexico. M-E-X-I-C-O, Mexico. In Central America or Mexico. Name 3 types of butterflies that sleeps in winter. Morning cloaks, question marks, cabbage white. Morning clocks, question marks, cabbage white. So children, up to this today. Bye bye.